Hello and welcome to Mystery Curtain, where we go beyond specs to reveal a gadget's true character. Today's episode will test durability, battery life, and real-world usability to see if this device can survive your daily grind. In the ever-competitive world of wireless earbuds, Bose has long been a name, synonymous with active noise cancellation, and its latest release, the Bose QuietComfort Ultra Earbuds 2, continues that legacy while adding new layers of personalization and immersion. This is not just another refresh of a popular model, but rather a deliberate step forward aimed at users who demand both top-tier noise control and a custom-tailored listening experience. Recognition has already followed, as the QuietComfort Ultra Earbuds 2 has been nominated in the Best Value for Money Headphones category of the KOC Better List at the Better Choice Awards 2025, signaling the community's acknowledgement of its balance between features and price. At the heart of the Ultra Earbuds 2 is Bose's custom tune technology, a system designed to adapt sound to the unique structure of every individual's ears. By scanning and adjusting EQ along with noise cancellation in real time, the earbuds provide a more precise and comfortable fit for both audio quality and ambient control. This is paired with immersive audio, Bose's take on spatial sound, which expands the perceived soundstage and creates layers of separation that feel closer to listening to high-end speakers than to compact in-ear devices. The sonic character remains true to Bose's philosophy: balanced, natural, and fatigue-free, ensuring that no single frequency overwhelms the others, making long listening sessions easier on the ears. Noise cancellation remains the centerpiece of the Bose identity, and the QuietComfort Ultra Earbuds 2 excels with two primary modes. Quiet mode eliminates nearly all external sounds, wrapping the listener in silence, ideal for flights, commutes, or focused work. Aware mode blends music playback with surrounding sounds, so that users remain connected to their environment, with active sense technology, automatically lowering sudden loud noises to safer levels. The flexibility doesn't stop there, as listeners can create, customize, and store multiple modes that can be accessed through simple touch gestures or the companion Bose app. Comfort has clearly been a design priority, as each earbud weighs just 7.7 grams and comes with an assortment of ear tips and stability bands, ensuring a secure fit for different ear shapes while minimizing pressure during long use. On the technical side, the earbuds run on Bluetooth 5.3, supporting multi-point connectivity, so users can switch between devices seamlessly. Phone calls are handled with a noise-reducing microphone system that enhances clarity in busy environments. Battery performance is reliable, with up to 6 hours of playback on a single charge, dropping to around 4 hours with immersive audio enabled. The charging case holds an additional 3 full charges, extending usability throughout the day, while fast charging delivers 2 hours of listening in just 20 minutes. Wireless charging is also supported, making the experience more convenient. Beyond hardware, Bose has ensured that software adds meaningful value. The Bose Music app allows EQ customization, touch control adjustments, and device management. Advanced integrations like Snapdragon Sound deliver higher quality wireless audio for supported devices, while Google Fast Pair simplifies the setup process on Android phones. Spotify Tap adds quick access to music playback, with minimal interaction, catering to listeners who want instant entertainment without scrolling through menus. Priced at approximately $293, the Bose QuietComfort Ultra Earbuds 2 is not a budget option, but its nomination for a Value for Money award underscores the balance it offers between premium sound, advanced noise cancellation, and thoughtful extras. For users looking for a single pair of earbuds capable of excelling across commuting, workouts, relaxation, and calls, this model presents a strong argument. It blends the refinement Bose is known for, with the kind of personalization and smart features that define the next generation of wireless audio. The QuietComfort Ultra Earbuds 2 is not just another iteration. but a comprehensive package for anyone who wants an all-in-one solution that elevates both music and daily life.